Welcome to another video of Halal Pips. We discussed the principle of technical analysis in part 1. Today, we'll discuss the uses of chart types, chart patterns, and indicators in the technical analysis. A forex chart displays the historical behavior of relative price movement between currency pairs over various time frames. Technical analysts use such charts to spot trends and patterns that can indicate reversals, continuations, entry points, and exits. Line, bar, and candlestick charts are the three most common types of forex charts. Another important and inseparable component of technical analysis is the chart pattern. A chart pattern is a set of support and resistance levels formed by candlesticks in a specific shape that helps to determine whether the market will continue to move in the same direction or reverse direction. The proper application of chart patterns assists traders and investors in determining when it is appropriate to enter and exit a trade. There are two types of chart patterns: the continuation pattern and the reversal pattern. Continuation and reversal patterns also come in a variety of shapes. Later on, we'll talk about it briefly. The third component of technical analysis is technical indicators, which are mathematical patterns derived from historical data that technical traders and investors use to forecast future price trends and make trading decisions. Technical indicators are used by technical analysts to determine when to enter and exit a market. There are several technical indicators that can be classified into two groups: overlays and oscillators. Traders must select the indicators that best suit their needs and become familiar with how they work. So far, we have only scratched the surface of technical analysis. Later in this series, you'll learn more about trends, charts, chart patterns, and indicators. Learning how to use the techniques and tools we've discussed can help you improve your technical analysis skills. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video. We will see you in the next lesson.
Thank you for watching with halalpips.com. Share your thoughts and ideas with us in the comment section.